Welcome this video. Build a rustic gardening bed. A complete gas. A rustic gardening bed is one of the most principling and reward way to growing vegetable hub or flower in your backyard or plants into the gardening you create and elevate structure plant with story which often controllers benefit better during few week productive for and the upper to central solution quality whether you have poor soil limited space or simple wants a more original gardening rustic gardening bed and more productive. This gets away to throwing everything you need to know about build a rustic gardening bed from plants and minimize to customization and plants. When choose your rustic gardening bed, before divide into the better progress, it's important to understanding about of rustic gardening, salt quality, your control, the salt mix if nature reach and valve during extend growing season. Salt in rustic bed, warm up and inspire your warm into fair. A static appear. Rustic bed create a not original and gardening layout. Plants your rustic gardening bed. Good plants long term